In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Salesforce email address. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. You'll need access to the inbox for the new email address you plan to use because Salesforce will send a verification link to complete the change. It's also a good idea to keep that inbox open in a separate tab so you can verify quickly when the time comes. Start on the Salesforce homepage after you've signed in. From here, look to the top right of the screen for your account icon. Click that to open your account menu and then choose Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area, which is where you control details like your name, time zone, and the email address connected to your user profile. In the left-hand navigation, you should be in the personal information section. Locate the email field, click into the email field to edit it, delete the current address, and type in the new email you want to use. Take a moment to double-check spelling and avoid extra spaces. If your organization has policies about which email domains are allowed, make sure the new address complies. Using an address you can immediately check will make the verification step faster. If you spot a mistake or change your mind at this point, you can click Cancel to stop the change and keep your current email. Canceling here prevents an incorrect verification email from going out and lets you start fresh. Once you're confident the new address is correct, click Save to submit your change. After you save, Salesforce typically displays a confirmation prompt about changing your email. If you're ready to proceed, click OK on the confirmation. This tells Salesforce to send a verification message to your new email address. In many cases, your previous email may also receive a notification for security awareness, but all action happens from the new inbox. If you prefer not to confirm through the on-screen prompt, you can click Cancel on that confirmation window. Don't worry, Salesforce will still send a verification email to the new address you entered. Either way, the next step is the same. Go to the inbox for your new email address, find the message from Salesforce about confirming your email change, and open it. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or promotions folders. You can also search your inbox for Salesforce verification to locate it faster. Open the message and click the Verify button inside. This link confirms that you control the new address and authorizes Salesforce to update your profile. The link will open in your browser and, if needed, may prompt you to sign back into Salesforce. Once the verification is successful, you'll be redirected to the Salesforce homepage, and your account will be associated with the new email address going forward. From here, you're all set. Your notifications, password resets, and other email-based communications from Salesforce will now go to the updated address. If your organization uses your email as your Salesforce username, this change may affect how you sign in. Follow your company's guidance if that applies to you. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the verification email never arrives, wait a few minutes and check spam or junk folders. Make sure your new inbox can receive external mail and that any filtering rules aren't moving the message out of view. If you still can't find it, reach out to your Salesforce administrator, as some organizations require additional approval or have domain restrictions in place. That's it. You've successfully updated and verified your Salesforce email address, ensuring your account communications reach the right place.